In the middle of June, during a transmission project that MJ Electric was doing on the ComEd system, one of our linemen heard some abnormal noises. Upon investigation, ComEd determined that there were a number of splices and connections that were in an adverse condition and at imminent risk. MJ Electric sat down with ComEd and came up with a plan to make the repairs using energized transmission methods. During the week of June 20th, MJ Electric brought in two specialty outfitted, insulated, energized transmission bucket trucks, brought in a crew of highly trained, expert energized transmission linemen, and teamed with the local MJ Electric forces, proceeded to do the work at 7 different locations, up to I think 13 different hot spots and splices.
We're changing out 345 splices for ComEd. It's an emergency situation. They have some high temperatures. They're worried about sleeve failures.
The 2 scopes of work that the crews did were entirely replacing splices and tension splices while the line was in service, or for those splices that were not as hot, they were able to wrap armor rod around them to shunt the splices out and cool them down. So both of those methods were done energized. Both of those tasks were done without incident. ComEd had experts and their representatives on site the entire time. They were very pleased with the work and they were impressed with the procedures and the very rigid process that the MJ Electric crews followed. And I do believe that it's a method that ComEd would be more willing to use in the future.
It's extremely safe. It's well thought out, well planned, not a lot of room for error. So we take the best of the best.
Is energized transmission work a viable option? Absolutely it is. It's a proven method, can be more cost effective, eliminates outages, and it can be done all year.
We're at a time now when service cannot be taken out and the systems are maxed to the fullest. Outage durations are getting shorter and shorter. The challenges are getting greater and greater. And we're at a time now where we're able to come with a solution, such as the bare hand job, and say, we can do this, it is safe, it is proven safe.
Why don't more utilities embrace energized transmission work? I think there's a few reasons. I think there's a misunderstanding of the safety and the methods. They equate energized transmission work to energized distribution work. And I think the utilities that have tried energized methods and have been successful with it really embrace it. Quanta is a leader in energized transmission work. The training and the methods are unique.
We have a selection process through MJ. They're recommended by their GFs, and if accepted, then they go to 120 hours of energized training.
MJ has a full, extensive procedures, safety program that all ties together, and that's how we're able to provide this work safely and efficiently.
Now that ComEd has seen energized transmission work completed on their system, I think they'll be more open and find other opportunities where it can be used. And I'm really looking forward to employing it many more times.